Also, she's like, my rates are less expensive than other people's, and I catch things that other people don't catch. And she says about that, she works for her friend who does stuff for Harlequin. Yeah. So it's kind of out of the blue. And she's like, and I'll do a sample for you for free. And I'm kind of like, well, okay. You know, it's like, it doesn't hurt to have somebody else to really look at it. Kind of is my thought process. And I asked her rate after her making a point of being like, well, I have better rates than other people. And she's like, well, I don't know that right now. I'll have to get back to you. Yeah. Yeah, that's something that struck me very odd right in that moment. Yeah. Yeah. So for example, one person I'm working with, their first thing for 2,500 words is $5. But after that, it's 0.6 per word. Yeah. Yeah. So you can figure out what you're dealing with, but they know right off the bat how much it is. Yeah. Another person I'm working with does